In this video, you'll learn how to create and use favorites for frequently used settings in Smart Device Connector. Scroll to and select the Ricoh Connector app on your smart device. To access favorites, scroll to MFP Printer and then select Favorites. From here, you can choose from the different registered favorites as needed. If you'd like to create a favorite, navigate to the function that you'd like to create a frequently used setting from. In this example, we will add a favorite for copy, so navigate to the Copy function. Change settings as desired and select the star. Choose your icon and create a name for the favorite. Select Register. Select OK. Your setting has now been saved in Favorites. Navigate to Favorites to use your new save setting.